Take a ride in the 2017 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, remote power door locks, navigation system, Bluetooth, cruise control, power windows, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.